Hey guys, how's it going? How to enhance old videos using AI in Runway ML. So first of all, go ahead and scroll a little bit down to the Runway's AI tools and then click view all tools, right? And you can see multiple tools, and we're gonna narrow it to video tools. And then you can select the video to video too, so you can enhance the video. You can see right here the color grade, super slow motion. If you have a strong or high quality video. So in my case, I'm gonna use video to video, and I'm gonna drop a file, like a video. Of course, it has to be a video, and then afterwards, let's say for example, I added this video, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see right here the demo images, right, from here, and I can add any template so I can animate this video, right? And basically, let's say the cyberpunk, right? And basically you can go ahead right here and hit generate, and then you're gonna of course wait for a few moments, and you can go back to your dashboard and see the final results from your assets right here. Okay, you're gonna see the final results as you can see right here. Let's say this is an example. Of course, it's a wild example, to be honest with you, but it demonstrates how you can generate video to enhanced video or image to image for that context. So you're gonna wait right here for a few moments, and you're gonna see the final results just like this one. And basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.